those nice little cup holders there to put my hardware in.
I do realize how that's conveniently round. I guess it was that like when you place a drink there and you're working on it. It's just a weirdly, conveniently placed round invention. The extension?
Hmm? No.
It's just that PCB hose right there.
Not one.
Does it come off easy? I realize there's no clamp.
Yeah.
Three items you're on now. This is the
one
lid
in bolt
or
yes.
the box.
The first one was the from the box to the car.
Oh, there's screws. Okay,
Yes.
I see. And they go into plastic. Okay.
Well, this is a screw. It's got a pointed end.
Yeah, I see. And the other one
this
is a bolt. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, that's and there's like a retainer clip that I'm screwing into. Okay, that's very loose.
Oh, sweet. So it slides right off. It is weird, yeah. Oh, the whole thing comes out.
Yeah.
Interesting. Oh, and you've already detached.
This is the box with the Hellcat filter.
You can see here, that's the old air box. It's got nothing, and this has got the added tube that pulls air from the outside and goes right there on the inside.
I want to say this piece should come off if I don't want to snap it off because I forget how it.
I think it just clips out, yeah.
Yeah, I think. That's okay. There it is. You squeeze these in.
Okay, I see now.
Push
Yeah.
it out from the back.
Again. That went in pretty nice. And the tube is already lined up.
Yeah, it's got some wiggle room.
Yeah, it's not 100% seal, which is fine. Get them all oil. So that's
That's connecting the box.
the box, okay. And I assume there's some kind of pin or something down there holding it in.
Drop anything. It's sitting at the bottom where the wheel well is. I want to say I took a picture and sent it to you what the bottom looks like.
I think so, yeah. Tim, it's hot.
It is.
Oop, watch that screw.
Yeah, no, it's. So I'll do this one first because it's one.
Watch that too.
Yeah.
Well, I'm saying stop. Watch that.
That's fine.
You can get a power tool?
Huh? No.
Okay. I can put them on a for stuff like that, you'll never want to over torque it, and I can't stand the lubricators that just run it way the heck down. Like, you can set it on a softer setting.
Still seems very flimsy and loosey.
Sure, it slid into the.
Huh?
Remember, it's just a screw going into plastic. Ain't got to be ooga booga tight.
Yeah. I think it ends up bottoming out, so there is no way to over torque it. I was just making sure that it's. It's awesome. Oh wait, I gotta put the tube back on. Which is where'd the tube go?
It's behind the coolant reservoir.
Oh. Oh yes, I see it. It's like the box still seems very. I guess it's there.
Is that it?
Yeah.